Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lili Pujarayu, SHMSI from Bondowoso University and
Dr. Asri Wijayanti SHMH from University Muhammadiyah of Surabaya and
Anagung Sagung Rahendra Dewi from Dwijendra University.
And Yayu Sugiyarti, Anang Doni Irawan. The title of our paper is Existence of Collective Agreement that have been registered for the parties.
next.
Background: the working relationship is expected to take place calmly without any disputes. Disputes in employment labor law in Indonesia is still dualistic, meaning that there are still two different legal rules for the same legal object. The Civil Code Bakhlik Wetboek or BW is still valid in addition to law 13
Next.
2003. Reset problem. Who is the existence of a registered collective agreement which contain violation of the law? Reset method. This reset is a normative juridical study with a statutory and conceptual approach. Legal reset the used as an approach by examining all law and regulation related to the problem or legal issue that are being faced horizontal.
Next.
Discussion. The work relationship occurs after a work agreement exists. In an agreement contract, there are many agreements in the form of classes that are arranged in the applicable agreement article and bind the parties to carry them out. Employment relations are at the core of industrial relation. When industrial relations take place, there are occasional disputes.
Next.
Procedure. Effort to resolve industrial relation disputes must first be attempted through deliberative biparty negotiation to reach consensus. If in deliberation as an effort to resolve industrial relation disputes at the bipartite level or between employer and workers of labor union, an agreement is made. A collective agreement is signed by the parties. This joint agreement is binding and becomes law and must be implemented by the parties and registered by the parties who entered into the agreement at the Industrial Relation Court at the District Court in the R where the parties entered into a collective agreement. If the collective agreement is not implemented by one of the parties, then the injured party can submit a request for execution to the Industrial Relation Court at the District Court in the area of the collective agreement to be registered to receive an order of execution.
Next.
It becomes a problem when the object agreed upon in the collective agreement contradicts the rule of labor law. A collective agreement that has been registered with the Industrial Relation Court at the District Court in the area where the parties entered into a collective agreement cannot be submitted to the Industrial Relation Court for cancellation and cannot be the absolute competency of competence of the Industrial Relation Court.
Next.
Conclusion. The existence of a collective agreement that has been registered by the parties is binding on the parties themselves because it has already permanent legal force. If one of the parties does not carry out the content of the collective agreement, then a request for execution can be submitted. A registered collective agreement cannot be applied for consultation because it has permanent legal force. If it is still enforced to file a lawsuit, then it can be filed with the local district court on the basis of the reason that there is a juridical law in the process of making a joint agreement.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.